आता रेकॉर्डिंग करा उसको. ठीक आहे, त्याला पाठवेल. थोडंसं उरलेलं पाठवेल. Hans, any guess? All 4 methods are not available to you. Yes,
सर
yes, yes, there is.
उसे अगर समझो बाहर से पिटवा दिया तो मतलब
That is a good
किसी
thing.
और से.
Very good, very good. That is a very good idea. Absolutely. It is useful. But ये इतने जल्दी काम नहीं करेगा. उसके पहले एक आइडिया काम करेगा. इसके पहले. When I tell you, you will say yes, it is there.
सर
Yes, yes, धैर्य.
सर छुप छुप के निकल जाने का.
क्या?
छुप छुप के निकल जाने का.
चुप के निकल जाना. That is run away again. Same thing. I will tell you that. Now nobody is able to answer. सबसे पहले हम लोग. Yes, Avni.
We have to kill something of the other player.
Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. Don't worry. Yeah. सबसे पहले हम उसके साथ मांडवली करेंगे. Is it possible for मांडवली? यार क्या यार, तू मेरे को मारने के लिए आया यार. मैं तेरे को ब्राइब दे देंगे. ब्राइब. यार मैं तेरे को वो नया पिक्चर का सीडी आया है मेरे पास में, दे वो दे दूंगा. छोड़ना यार, बाद में देख लेंगे ना. कुछ तो पटाएगा यार उसको. लेकिन तू वो तेरे को मारने के बजाय तू उसको शांत करेगा. You understand? This is, we call it as in chess also. It is called as bribe. Bribe him. That means instead दूसरा कुछ उसको दे दो तो वो खुश हो जाएगा, तुझे नहीं मारेगा. So in chess उसे दूसरा कुछ अगर ऑफर करेंगे तो वो पीस लेने के बजाय दूसरा पीस ले सकता है. इट इज पॉसिबल. यू कैन से ऑफर. दैट इज ऑफर. ऑफर समथिंग. तो फिफ्थ इज ब्राइब. एक्चुअली फिफ्थ और भी एक है, लेकिन मैंने वो एग्जैक्टली okay. If that is also not possible for you, this fifth method is also not possible, then how you will save yourself? Again, the questions are becoming tougher and tougher. And this is how you have to think in chess.
So you want to beat?
Yeah, somebody is coming to beat you. What you will do? You have to save. That is your pardon? धैर्य काय बोललास?
सर धक्का मार के भाग जाने का.
वही same thing. Run away is same thing. धक्का मार के जाओ या बिना धक्का मार के जाओ. सर yes, ईशान.
आपण त्याला काय हे घे चॉकलेट मला सोडून द्या असं.
Bribe. That is what fifth is. That is what fifth method.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
The sixth method you have been taught in your school and which you have totally forgotten. I'm very sorry to say. अभी शायद अवनी को मालूम नहीं रहेगा, धैर्य को मालूम नहीं रहेगा, अनुष्का को मालूम नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन बाकी लोगों को मालूम होना ही चाहिए. You have learned about Shivaji Maharaj. Everybody has learned about Shivaji Maharaj. You have read, Anisha, you have read about Shivaji Maharaj, and you are not able to answer this question. Very sad. Yes, Hans.
Sir, guerrilla warfare.
Yes, that is the answer. That is the answer, but not exactly in guerrilla warfare.
To be bold.
Yeah. No. I will give the answer. Don't worry. इसे बोलते हैं. अभी यहाँ पर मैं I will give the example, Shivaji's example only, but you will understand it. शिवाजी का एक 1 minute. At one time, Shivaji was attacked. Shivaji Maharaj was attacked by one Sardar of Vizapur, and he was stranded on one fort. What Shivaji did, उसके पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं था. वो तो शिवाजी के ऊपर अटैक करके शिवाजी तो आराम से निकल सकता था, लेकिन उसको जितना जल्दी भगाया जाए उतना अच्छा था. तो what is to be done? Okay, I will not give the example. Another example. Right in the beginning of Shivaji's life, when Shivaji started his career, that means started taking many forts. This Vizapur Badshah, he captured literally his father, Shahaji. And शिवाजी को उसने लिख के भेजा कि जो सब चालू तूने किया है वो सब बंद कर दो, तो तुम्हारे पिताजी मेरे कब्जे में है. अभी शिवाजी को प्रॉब्लम आ गया, अगर सब चालू किया वो सब छोड़ देंगे तो गलत है. स्वराज्य के लिए हम लोग लड़ रहे हैं, और नहीं करेंगे तो मेरे पिताजी जाएंगे, उसके हाथ में पिताजी को कैसे छोड़ देगा वो. So he did the fantastic idea. Now perhaps Manisha will understand it. What he did, he wrote a letter to that time Mughal Sultanate, Aurangzeb, saying that me and my father both will come and will serve you. Along with everything, we will serve you. तो हुआ क्या, औरंगजेब वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, फाइन. और उसने विजापुर के बादशाह को बोला कि दिस शाहजी जो है ना, उसे छोड़ दो, वो मेरा आदमी है. अभी विजापुर का बादशाह उसको मार भी नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि औरंगजेब चिढ़ जाएगा, वो मुगल बादशाह गुस्सा हो जाएगा. उसे झक मार के छोड़ना पड़ा उसको. See, this is the idea. Very simple idea. That is what we say. अपने घर को आग लगाने के लिए कोई आ रहा है तो उसके घर को आग लगाओ. वो खुद का घर बचाने के लिए जाएगा तो अपना घर बच जाएगा. You understood this idea? The same idea can be done over here in chess. If you are losing your piece, you attack somewhere else on the enemy. For example, I will give the example. You are losing rook. You attack opponent's queen or king. King को अटैक है तो उसको king के लिए जाना पड़ेगा. He cannot kill immediately your piece. पहले king को बचाओ. लेकिन queen के ऊपर अटैक किया तो whether he will take your rook? No, because he is losing queen. So he will, next move he will save his queen and you get little time. So we call this particular warfare, what he said is guerrilla warfare. It is termed as guerrilla warfare only. In chess we call it as a counter attack. So the sixth method of saving yourself is a counter attack. And here counter attack means not and the attacking piece somewhere else. Here this fifth and sixth, bribe and counter attack, are little bit similar. Someone can say it is distract your opponent, that is distracting your opponent by some or the other way. Offering something, that is also distracting, or attacking somewhere else, that is also distracting. So both can come under one heading, distracting. We have little bit expanded the definition. Written all six. Now we will move to the question again. Question is, what am I losing? If I am losing, I have to save by one of these six methods. If I am not losing anything, no, then I have to go to second question. Write down second question. What am I getting? What am I getting? Now, to this question also, the answer is if yes, I am getting something or I am not getting something. If I am not getting something, then you will move to question 3. There is third question. If answer is no, you will move to question 3. If answer is yes, I am getting something, then you take it, what you are getting. If one of the following 3 conditions are satisfied. So you have to take it provided one of the following, I will give you 3 conditions are there. Then only you take it, otherwise you don't take it. Number 1, if you are getting free, अरे क्यों कि सामने वाला दे रहा है, धर्म कर रहा है तो ले लो यार, किसी का अपमान नहीं करते, दे रहा है तो ले लो. उसने मिस्टेक किया है, he hasn't recognized what he is losing. So you are getting something. किसी के घर में आप मेहमान बन के जाते हैं और वो कुछ ऑफर करता है खाने के लिए तो आप लेते हैं ना, नहीं 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 थोड़ी बोलते हैं. अभी मैं मनीषा के घर में गया एंड इफ शी ऑफर मी अ गुड पॉम्फ्रेट तो मैं थोड़ी ना बोलने वाला हूँ. आई विल टेक इट. हो ना मनीषा?
नक्की.
पण मला बोंबील जास्त आवडतात.
ते तुला जाणावे लागतील.
Okay. So the first condition is if it is free you take it. Second condition, if first condition is not there, you are not getting free, then second condition is if you are getting equal points or more points in exchange. Less point exchange में है तो नहीं लेना है. If you are getting more points or equal points, then you can consider to have that exchange. Third condition is rather difficult to understand basically. In fact, at this juncture, I cannot explain you, though I can explain, but not to you. You won't be able to understand it. The third condition is if you are getting a good positional advantage. That means you are losing more points. Still, you go for that exchange because the positional advantage is there. What is positional advantage? बहुत लंबा वक्त है वहां तक जाने के लिए. Positional play. The first positional play world came to know about positional play is by a person in 1800 century by Philador करके एक ग्रैंड मास्टर था in 18th century, not 1800 something. In fact, one opening उसने चेस का खोज निकाला. That is a Scotch game. एक Philador defense उसके नाम से भी एक डिफेंस जाना जाता है. Philador opening or Philador defense, and one opening Scotch defense was very popular that time. Then बीच में वो सब बंद पड़ गया. Scotch, nobody was playing Scotch at the opening, and then all-time chess great in the world is Russian grandmaster. क्या नाम है इसका? क्या नाम है तेजस रशियन ग्रैंडमास्टर का? नंबर 1 Kasparov. Garry Kasparov started playing that Scotch gambit or Scotch game, and again it became very popular. But ये सब आपको बाद में आ जाएगा, different syllabus altogether. So Philidor was first to I think coin up this positional play. Later on, everybody utilize this. Everybody, in fact, you and me are also going to use this positional play. मैं जब कॉलेज के टाइम खेलता था, फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट टाइम भी मुझे पोजिशनल प्ले मालूम नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ होता है. In fact, I never studied any books, nothing. There was one sir in our college. He asked me, which book you refer? Chakradev sir, Manisha. He asked which book you refer. I said, is there any book available for chess? Such books are available. So he said, then how you are playing so good? I said, it is natural. Natural with instinct I used to play. Then he introduced me to many books. पूरी रात भर हम लोग उनके घर में खेलते थे. शाम को 6 बजे आते थे, उधर ही खाना, उधर ही सब कुछ, और पूरा सुबह 6 बजे तक उनके साथ खेलते थे चक्रदेव सर के घर में. So that was